Good morning, everybody. Today is February 8th, 2021. Sorry I didn't record a video yesterday. I was busy. Today we're going to be looking at gold, silver, the S&P 500, and Bitcoin. All right, gold. Gold, we are going to go to the daily. Gold is bouncing nicely, and it looks like it's getting towards the top of this consolidation area. And I can delete the triangle now. That doesn't need to be there. What was that? That was a channel. So I'm going to leave the channel there and remove this as well. Clean up the chart a little bit. And just start looking at, okay, well, where do I become bullish? And it's if we close, or where do I become more bullish than bearish? And it's when we close above this yellow line here. And then where do I become a bull again? Well, I become a bull right here at the breakout of 1874. So we're going to leave these areas here. We're going to redraw this arrow. We're going to extend this channel. And just to right there. So I'm expecting a bounce to the top of this area right here where all these moving averages are consolidating and going into a crossover. They look like they're about to touch. That is kind of starting to pull the price up. But I would expect a leg to the downside now because we have broken this low. So I'm still more bearish than bullish. Even if we close here, I think we're at the top of this channel. We could break above it, but we have to be above this red line in order for me to become a bull. I'm going to maintain my bearish posture, and I am going to keep paying attention to this channel. All right. Silver. Now, silver is breaking out. Wow, I didn't even expect that. All right, silver is breaking out. Woohoo. Look at that go. Now, I was a bear on silver, so we're going to see where this day closes. The weekly has been my chart that I've been paying attention to for silver. So if this candle can close above this red line, then I become a bull. That has not changed. That has been my position this whole time. I will be moving this up to say when we break this, I do become more bearish than bullish, because as soon as we break this, the target price for silver is $40. And this becomes invalidated. This triangle will no longer be valid. So silver is looking great. We'll see where it closes today. It still has plenty of room on the upside on the RSI. And I don't have volume on here, unfortunately, but that is what it is. All right. Now, S&P 500. S&P 500 is at, yet again, another all-time high. We are making great strides to break this this channel that we've been into. I want to see if we can do it. We have room on the RSI. The MACD is looking like it's going to start crossing over to the positive range again. So I am a full-blown bull on the S&P 500. I don't think anything is going to stop this from now on. So very, very happy, very, very satisfying to see that the S&P 500 is moving this fast. I was concerned here, and I was very concerned back here about us challenging so close to these lows and being so close to this moving average, because if we started to trade down, we were going to break to the downside. But we've obviously rallied very hard, and the money printing is doing what it can do best, which is pump the price. Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke out of the cup and handle structure over the weekend. I'd noticed this, and it's a lot easier to see on the 4-hour. I'd noticed this right about here when I saw this bottom and started to see the trailing up. And I was wondering if this was going to become a wedge or not. And then we broke. And then I love the fact that we had a point where we retested the top here. We came back and we retested the neck of this cup and handle. And then we freaking broke. And now I know that this comes on the lines of like the Musk pump BS. But what I needed to see was a close above this red line. I've seen it close. Now I'm waiting to see if we have a full body close above it. And I am going to be starting to ladder in my positions. We hit the target on the cup and handle. We could have another run up. I think that's very fair. We are a little bit we're starting to see some divergence, however, on the RSI on the 4-hour, which makes me wonder if we are going to get a pullback. You know, I was a little bit concerned when I saw this move back to here, and then I saw this lower RSI. I got a little bit concerned there, but then I saw the break, and I said, okay, game on. We pulled back, which was nice, but now we have another point where we're in the oversold or overbought position. We have consolidation at the bottom of the cup and handle, but we haven't consolidated, I would say, in this like 40 to 41 range again. We've touched 40. We've kind of had 2 candle closes in that area, but I think we could be back there for we could be there for a few seconds. However, the weekly is telling me to be a raging bull. We have a 1, we have a 2 going above a 1, going above the 9. That is a textbook bullish entry for the DeMark system. Now, my targets on the higher time frame still stand. I'm still looking for 53, and I'm still looking for 67 as a potential top on this run-up, because I think that our 40% correction is going to be coming, but I think it's going to be coming all the way here at $67,000, possibly higher. If we blow to 100K, though, and the altcoins run with it, and we see another repeat of 2017, then I think we could get another 85% correction. And we had an 85% correction in the last bull from the last bull run, which was we went from 20 down to 3,000, which is 85% correction. So an 85% correction of 100K would take us sub $20,000. I don't see that happening right now. I see that we consolidated a nice bit right here, and now we're moving into another higher position, and we're going to be more and more bullish. Now, I was sleeping when this all occurred. Thank you, Elon Musk. You beautiful autistic bastard. I was just sleeping when this breakout occurred because I don't like putting buy orders right here near the tops, especially on the first run. I always think it's going to take like 2 or 3 touches, but we did it in 2. So we did 1 touch and then we broke, which I wasn't expecting. I was expecting a little more of a fight. However, with the news coming out that Musk is and he bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, that can screw up your technicals pretty darn easily. So I am a full-blown bull, and where I'm looking at for a potential entry into this market is I'm looking at this red line here. I'm waiting to come. I want to come back to this red line for a quick test, and it has to be done on larger time frames than the 1 hour, because the 1 hour just wicked down into it. But I am seeing this consolidation here on the 1 hour. I'm seeing some decrease in momentum on the volume indicators. So I am a little bit cautious to say that for whatever reason, if we decide to go above this and our correction doesn't come fast enough, then I am going to be very, very cautious. Oddly enough, we topped on a 9 on the 1 hour chart. I had no idea that was coming. Wow. That's something else. That's something else to see. So we'll see. We got 20 minutes left in this hour. Hopefully Bitcoin can pull back a little bit further. I would like to get down into these moving averages, but I think this moving average needs to be at least above 40 for us to come back even close to that. And I think that that's a really, really nice solid area to be nearby. And especially since we tested 41, basically, with this giant Darth Maul candle. This Darth Maul doji right here that just wiped out longs and shorts. So pretty much everyone's deleveraged at this point. They're probably leveraging back up. But who knows what direction they're trying to go for. I'm a full-blown bear. Or bull. Yeah, full-blown bull. God. It's hard to say 5 times fast. Anywho, that's all I have to say for the morning. Everyone have a wonderful Monday, and I'm going to talk to you tomorrow.